Yeah, it me.
It hit me.
What the finch?
Good morning vlog. It is a day. Oh my god, I never know what day it is. I always say it's Thursday. I just have so much going on today, tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, the whole weekend. I just got back from working out actually a little bit ago and I was sending some emails. I've been loving working out lately. Also, I wore kind of a funny outfit today. This is my like Stranger Things shirt, but it says Girls Bite Back from Nasty Gal and I just cut it. And then these fabletics leggings. Been working on those booty gains. Oh, yeah. Been really working on my abs. It's crazy. Like, honestly, guys, consistent working out, it's insane how your body can transform. Like, I never believed it, but it's true. Okay, you're gonna laugh at me, but literally yesterday was arm day and I can like hardly even hold up my camera because I'm so sore. So we're gonna sit like this. Anyway, my car is so freaking dirty and messy, so I'm actually gonna go wash that right now. I bought this stuff from Amazon that's like waterless spray that you put on and you like wipe your own car because I find that, okay, now my legs are tired. I like never go to the car wash because I've yet to find one that I like the most, that's not expensive, that's like, I don't know, does the job, and I always end up like with dirt still on my car because it's just caked on from so long. So I also need to shower at some point, but I figure I might get dirty whilst cleaning my car. So we're gonna clean my car. I need to get my nails done, but like it's just such a waste of time. I don't want to go sit there for an hour when I have things to do, but like look at my nails, and I kind of want to be a professional, and like I'm going to a networking event tonight. So I want to look like a young professional because that's what I am. I feel like with my nails all chipped and gross, I don't look like a young professional. Do I look like one now? Vlogging sometimes I forget to do because it takes time to like think to grab my camera. But I've been doing so many things lately. I'm in such a transition period with like self-made CEO, like trying to really grow that and kind of like experiencing what it's like to try to run another business. So I do want to share that with you guys. I think some of you are very interested in that, and I know I'm very like sporadic vlogger, but we're doing it right now. So we're gonna see how that goes down. So let's go wash my car. All right, about to clean my car. I just want to say it is so hot out right now, but it's like cloudy. It's like super muggy and humid, which I feel like LA isn't normally. So I chose a great time to clean my car and to like wear black and long pants, whatever. So all right, this is what I'm working with. First, oh my god, my arms are so sore. I have these cleaning wipes for car interiors. Oh yeah. Next, I have these microfiber towels, and I have this like spray thing that I'll show you. This is the ultimate waterless wash and wax. It works pretty well. The only thing is that like my car just gets super dirty from parking it outside, but whatever. Then I brought a garbage bag. Wait, I may not have brought it with me, like an idiot. Classic. Okay, brought a garbage bag, and then I'm gonna go get my vacuum inside and vacuum the interior, and I should be good to go. Check this out. I don't know if you can even tell. Clean part, dirty part, but watch. Whoa. It's crazy. Just wanted to pause to show you guys that I'm literally dripping in sweat. So if you want a good workout, clean your car. All right, phase 2, getting rid of all the garbage and hair and crap that's in the car. The car looks so much better. I wish I showed you a before, but I didn't. But it looks so much better. I decided to pause, so I just threw away all the garbage. I'm not gonna wipe everything down yet or vacuum because literally my arm is so sore from working out yesterday. This was a full-blown workout, so I'm gonna take a break and do something else and then come back to it. All right, it's a little bit later. I haven't finished my car yet, but I got home and I was trying to do some work, showered, and then I got really tired and I was watching blackhead popping videos, if anyone can relate to that. I'm just gonna chill for a little bit because I will die going to this network event if I don't like chill for a hot second. Right, I'm in the car with Heiki and going to a networking event. And we're gonna network. And we'll go on I freaking run. There we go. Super businessy. Business card. All right, we have arrived. We have arrived, and there is a Poke Bowl station. Lauren is really going to town. I'm about to. They have to you one. We have bowls over here, and we're like, nah, we're plating it.
So this is the graph behind me, and it's also...
Hello, guys.
Hi guys.
Lauren.
Hello.
We haven't vlogged together in a while, probably because I just haven't vlogged at all in general.
Was it the last time when we got all fancy in Ralph's? Oh, we're going to Ralph's again.
Oh my god,
when
yeah,
we did
sang.
acapella. Oh my god, what was it? It was Simple Plan.
Oh my god.
What was the song?
This song, who sings this? Simple Plan?
Simple Plan.
Yeah, Simple Plan. Everyone can't help us singing. We like pass someone in the
I like
aisle.
the song Addicted.
To be hurt, to feel lost, to be left out in the dark. Yeah, you're breaking down. You know what it's like. Down. You're pushed around. Don't know what it's like.
I messed it up.
No, you got it. Welcome to my life. Grocery store singing.
Wait,
no, not
that?
something.
No, it was like
no, that's
no.
not. No.
Yeah, wait.
That's not.
It was something
Simple
about being
Plan.
happy. It was like, I don't remember. I think the last thing I vlogged was us going to that networking event. So we're gonna go to the store because Haley, she just quit her job. And today is the last day of her like 2 weeks notice situation. So
She's
we're
stressing
going
out.
to get her like a little thing and like, just to be like, congrats.
It's
Even
gonna be
though we're
wine
gonna,
and cheese and goodies and gals.
yeah, and we're gonna like hardcore more celebrate when she actually gets a new job, but
Yeah.
for now we're just gonna do that. And then I feel like I was gonna say one more thing before we took off, but I now don't remember.
To infinity and beyond.
Yeah, I guess we should just go.
All right, I remembered what else I was gonna say. I was gonna say that Red Bull sent me a PR package, and this is their new flavor. It's called Beach Breeze. It literally tastes like body lotion, but it's like good, but it a little bit tastes like body lotion. It's like coconutty. Well, let's see what it is. It doesn't even say what flavor.
Wait, now I want to try
But
it.
try it.
Live reaction.
Live reaction.
I'm blocking the aisle.
Okay. Live reaction.
Beach Breeze.
Like it's good, but it kind of tastes like body lotion. Do you know what I mean? I just thought about getting that balloon and saying, happy official last day of work.
You're so punny, girl.
Really having a mustard dilemma here. I don't know. There's so many types of mustard. How does one ever choose? We got sweet mustard, pepper mustard. We got some more honey mustard. We got some sweet and spicy mustard.
Don't forget the Engelhofer.
Oh, Engelhofer. We have so many.
Dijon.
But I think I'm gonna go with some classic honey.
You say na 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 Moulin Rouge. That was a very annoying sound. I apologize. Oh god, this is too close on my face.
Why are they fucking honking at me?
Why are they beeping, honking at us?
Oh my god.
For shame. Oh, it's some loser. Nope.
I wanted a picture in my oversized, quirky, and relatable sweatshirt.
And I gave her the caption, which is oh, I forgot it.
Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande. What was it? Like,
Something
pick up
about-
Ariana Grande aisle 4. I don't know.
I don't
It was
know.
funny at the time.
Maybe I should take a picture just like a f***ing G on the hood of my car. Nah. Nah.
Pass. Go. It's green. It's green. It's not oule, it's voulez.
Voulez-vous coucher
avec moi
avec
ce
quoi?
soir.
Avec quoi?
Voulez-vous
Wait, what's
coucher?
after that?
Voulez-vous coucher
Voulez-vous coucher
avec moi
avec moi
ce soir?
ce soir? Voulez-vous coucher
Avec moi ce soir.
Ce soir.
Wait, yeah, avec moi is with me
Avec
tonight.
moi.
Ce soir. Oh my god, I remember French. Look at that.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi
Ce soir.
ce soir? Ce soir.
Ce soir.
Ce soir.
Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
Ce soir. Any French viewers out there? Can you
French once.
clarify?
Bonjour.
By
Oh
the
my
way,
god.
this is a song. We're not just telling people to come to
Oh
bed.
no, they know. They know it's a song.
Watch out,
Aw,
puppies.
Puppies.
Watch out, puppies.
Oh, they're cute. You are really on a ride with us.
Coucher avec moi
Ce soir.
Yeah.
I love Christina's part where she goes, na 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 Moulin Rouge, striding her stuff to the sink.
Yeah,
She
yeah,
goes,
yeah.
hello, hey Joe, you want to give it a go? Do you not know the words?
Not that part.
Oh. Well, she asks Joe if she wants to give it a go. Whoa.
Whoa. Hey,
And then she
Joe,
goes-
you want to give it a go? Whoa.
Ariana, is that you?
Holding on.
What is
Yeah, it me.
Hit me. Okay, bye.